Here is your 2025 NIE application guide. Hola, it's your VA Ate in Spain, and for today's video, I just want an updated NIE application guide just to make sure that your NIE application will go on smoothly. Ano ba yung NIE? So basically, it's the foreign ID number. So basically, ito yung number na re-receive mo basically dun sa physical card mo, or ito din yung magiging card mo dun sa may visa na ilalagay dun sa may passport mo. So, it would depend paano mo siya kunin, kung sa Spain ka man directly mag-a-apply or sa may consulate. But I would suggest to get it ahead of time, maybe 2 to 3 months before you start gathering your documents for your DNV application, kasi sometimes it lasts a little bit longer for them to give it out. So, una sa lahat, you have to book an appointment. So, you have to email this email, and then that is basically the Spain consulate. You are requesting for an appointment for getting your NIE. So, the full body and the subject of the email is on my website. So, it's ateinspain.com/DIY-guide. So, you can also find the link down below on the comment section. But basically, kailangan mo muna makasecure ng appointment na yan. Usually, they will have an auto-reply, and then don't worry about I would say 2 to 5 days, magre-reply sila with an appointment that's either next week or the next 2 weeks from you, depending dun sa availability. Step 2 is to download and fill out all the forms. So you basically have two main forms, which is the X15 application form. You can also find the link to that on the NIE guide. But basically, that application form plus yung tax form. So yung tax form, may link ka din. I-fill out mo siya dun sa website, and then may captcha dun sa may dulo. And then, of course, you have to print that out. So don't forget to not put electronic signature. So, hindi na nila yung tinatanggap. Kailangan wet sign lagi pag mag-a-apply. And of course, you can also not make an personal appearance. Pwede kang magpakuha nung NIE mo with a special power of attorney. So, kung sino man yung authorized representative mo, pwede silang kumuha ng special power of attorney. And then you just have to make sure na sila yung pipirma dun sa X15 application form. And then, of course, na kasama yung special power of attorney document with your 3 specimen signatures, and of course, photocopy ng passport mo.